Milk is a nutrient-rich liquid food produced by the mammals like a cow. Here are 5 reasons you should drink milk daily. Milk maintains bone density. Milk is an excellent source of calcium, vitamin D and phosphorus, which are necessary for the development and maintenance of strong, healthy bones and teeth. Milk promotes muscle growth. The major proteins in milk are casein and whey. Both help in building lean muscle mass and reducing body fat. Milk contains B vitamins. Milk is rich in vitamin B12, niacin, riboflavin, which aid the conversion of food into energy. Vitamin B12 is also needed for the formation of red blood cells and the normal functioning of the central nervous system. Milk is often fortified with other nutrients. Other nutrients including vitamins A and D are usually added to milk. Vitamin A is key for good vision and boosts the immune system, while vitamin D improves the body's ability to absorb calcium. Milk protects against chronic diseases. In a 2016 journal article published in Food and Nutrition Research, researchers in Europe suggested that dairy intake is associated with a lower risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, as well as colon cancer, bladder cancer, gastric cancer, and breast cancer. Their analysis found very few reported cases of adverse effects.